Now, let us witness the differences between the teacher and students in the early generation and 21st century.
Early generation teacher.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Kirby.
Take your seat. So our topic today is all about verb. Please bring out your notebook to copy this.
Twenty-first century teacher.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir.
Ayan, ang fresh nyo naman. Okay, bago tayo magbukas sa ating bagong topic, so syempre mag-energizer muna tayo kasi sobrang tamlay nyo, di ba? O sige, meron akong video dito na naka-download, so dapat susundin nyo. Okay ba, class?
Yes, Sir.
Okay, so ito na yung siya, class. Okay, bago yan, so please stand, class. Okay, follow the video, class, ha? Follow the video. Ayan! Okay, class, yun na. Ayan. So, enjoy ba ang lahat, class?
Yes, Sir.
Okay, very good. So, ngayon, isbutin sa ating topic. So, ang topic natin ngayon is all about Pride and Prejudice. So, sino kaya ng story ng Pride and Prejudice? O, syempre wala. O, di ako na. Okay, ang Pride and Prejudice ay sinulat ni Jane Austen noong 1775, pero namatay siya noong 1817. And also, Jane Austen is English novelist known for social commentary, and her famous work, Sense and Sensibility, Pride and Prejudice, Mansfield Park, Emma, Northanger, Abbey, and Persuasion, and also focus on class, marriage, and women's role. So class, pang-picture itong topic natin kasi next week magkakaroon tayo ng quiz.
Pwede na lang, Sir. Send na lang sa GC.
Okay. Please picture this topic, our topic, class.
Okay na po, Sir.
So may naintindihan ba ang lahat sa ating topic, guys?
Yes, Sir.
Okay, very good. So, thank you and goodbye, class.
Thank you and goodbye, Sir Kirby.
Other version of 21st century teacher.
Metro! Oh my, she's a long way from suburban towns. Came to the city for the love, got her hurting out. Oh my, she's a long way.
DJ, the best.
Tribunal.
And that is the differences between the teacher and students in the early generation and 21st century.